This was my second attempt to put these fender molds on my 2012 Silverado. As you can see, it fits tight all the way along the edges. The back is perfect fit. All the holes underneath don't exactly line up. So I used some self-tapping screws here, once here and there. So anyway, pretty pleased with the product. I got a little bit of gap on this one, but it's not at the top or at the front where the wind would catch it. And this is the passenger front. So anyway, I would rate it a 8 out of 10.
The flare is too big. And it covers up my gas, the access to my gas cap, and I can't have that.
That's good. It's got park company gas.
Yeah, look, see it right there. All right.